Meaning of high up.
High up.
High up.
High up.
High up. The term high up is typically used to describe someone in a position of authority or power. This could refer to individuals within a corporation or government, for example. Such people are generally seen as having more knowledge and control over important decisions. With this position of power comes respect and the ability to influence others. However, the term can also carry negative connotations, as high-up individuals may be viewed as elitist or disconnected from those they oversee. Overall, being a high-up in any organization or society is a significant responsibility, with both benefits and drawbacks.